Right everyone, the Wallas XC is now on and I'm running it, so what I'll do now is I'll shut up and you can listen to just how quiet it is. It's actually completely silent in my mind, but if there is any noise I'll try and let the microphone pick it up. So there you go, from outside it's basically silent. You'd have to get your ear right next to it to even hear anything, so that is really impressive. I'm actually trying to use this situation right now, so this is it running. I'm trying to use this situation right now to show you that this is the noise level it gives off compared to me talking. So this is me talking normally, and you can sort of hear it in the background. This is on setting 1, so this is like a good setting to have running overnight. And it's not too bad.